What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're going to be drawing Fun Bun from Wreck-It Ralph. Let's get started by drawing in the eyes. In the center of a page, we're going to start on the left side and draw in a circle. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So we want to line up the top of that circle, and just bring that down to the same height, and then up to the top. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to draw a sideways oval, starting from the center, curve around, and then back up. And then from the bottom center of the nose, start with a straight line coming down. And then from here we're going to curve down and up towards the left, aiming towards the eye. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, coming down and then bending that up. I'm also going to add a curve along the top of the bridge of the nose. We're going to start on the left side, curve up, and then back down. And we're also going to add two circles underneath the eyes for the cheeks. Let's start on the left side, go around, and back up. Line this up on the right. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on the left, I'm going to curve up, and then pull that in, line this up on the right, curve out, and then bend that down. Now I'm going to move all the way up to the top of the head and draw the fur in between the ears. So let's start on the left side of center, curve up and over towards the right. I'm just going to taper that back down towards the middle. Draw another curl, going up and then down. And then again, we're going to taper that back in towards the middle of the head. Now let's draw in the ears. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then out towards the left. We'll round out the ear, then come back down, and then just pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start on top of the fur, go up and out in the opposite direction. We'll round out the ear, come down, and then in towards the same height. Then we're going to connect the bottom of the ears with a large circle going around the face. Let's start on the left side. Starting out here, we're going to curve out, round out the head, and then come down in the middle. I'm just going to work my way back up towards the right. Going out, around the cheek, up, and we'll bend that in. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the inside of the ear. In between these 2 points, we're going to step in towards the middle, start with a point. Now I'm going to curve this up towards the top of the ear. I'm going to round this out and come down on the outside. I'm just going to pull that back down towards that center point. Come down and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in towards the center, start with that point. Go up towards the top. Round this out. Come down along the outside and then in towards that bottom point. Now we're going to tuck the handkerchief underneath the head. Starting on the left side, I'm going to curve down and then in towards the center point. Curve up and out towards the right. Now we're going to draw that belly patch underneath this handkerchief. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to draw an oval. Going around, down towards the bottom, round this out, and then go back up on the right side. Now from the top of the belly, we're going to step out, we're going to follow that same curve, going out, and then in towards the hip. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping out, curving around, and then in. Now along the bottom, we'll step down, draw another curve, coming down, and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left side, draw a straight line, angling down and out towards the left heel, move over towards the right, angle down and out towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, I'm going to curve down and then up towards the toe. And do the same thing on the right. Now let's curl around the top of the foot. Start back on the left side, curve out and up. We're going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Bump this out, up towards the top, and then down towards the heel. And now we're going to separate out the toes. Starting from the outside, we'll step in. Just going to follow the same curve of the foot going out and then in towards the bottom. Step in and draw that twice. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the hip and draw on the side of the leg. Let's start on the left. We're going to curve out and then bend that down on top of the foot. Now we're going to be drawing the arms on the hips. So let's start on the top of the body on the left and go out and down towards the inside of the elbow. Now we're going to curve the top of the arm going in, and then we'll bend that down towards the side of the body. Let's draw the outside of the arm. Starting from the side of the handkerchief, we'll go out, and then we're going to bend that down towards the elbow. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And then from the elbow, we're going to draw the bottom of the forearm. We curve down, and then pull that in right beside the hip. Do the same thing on the right. And then the hand is going to curl around the arm. So from the inside of the wrist, we're going to step out, curve down, and then up beside the body. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Fun Bun from Wreck-It Ralph. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.